Hey there, Victory here, and got a solution for the RX100 wind noise problem and how you manage to put a muff on it. This is a very simple, cheap, clean way to do it and doesn't damage your camera and gives you all of the functions. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Here we go. So here are the things that you need to make this muff. We need a piece of lens cleaning cloth, pretty easy to come by. We need some thread, a needle, some elastic, and a little bit of muff material. This is an existing road muff, but you could use other material. And of course we need an RX100 to work it. You have to either take your muff apart, or if you just have fabric, cut it into a circle. And that circle would be 1 3/4 inches across. So 1 3/4 across there. We're going to cut a little strip, which is 1/2 inch wide. Now we want to make sure that when we cut that, if you notice your lens cleaning cloth, it stretches more in one way than the other. This is the tight way. So what we'll want to do is cut it that way so that we've got the tighter part. Once we have those, we just stitch them together. In this case I cut the back off it just so that it doesn't hang off the back of the camera. So we stitch that together, and then we cut ourselves a 7-inch piece of covered elastic, and we're going to stitch that around the upper edge like this, and we'll stitch it so that it only goes to about there. So that'll all be stitched in, and let the elastic slide through that. It'll just allow you to adjust it a bit more. So once we have that done, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. There's the strip inside. The elastic has been stitched around the edge there, and it makes a little bit of a pocket. So in order to use this, we're going to open up the flash. We're going to stick this through, press that down, and once we have it in the position, pull that elastic over the lens, and that's it. So there are a lot of advantages to this method. First of all, there's nothing sticky or things stuck to the camera. This can easily fit in your pocket, and it doesn't come off. You can still use the viewfinder. You can reach all the other controls. And one of the best things is once you want to get rid of it, just open up your flash, and you're able to use the flash as well. So that's it. It's a very simple, a very clean way to do it, and you won't be damaging your camera. Well, I think those tests prove that it works. What you're hearing in the second is the sound of the trees, the wind in the trees, and that's what you should be hearing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out, getting rid of that ugly sound. And here's to a lot better footage in the future. Cheers. Bye now.